Hey everyone, ever wonder you want to make some 3D, models for your product or for yourself from an image? I mean, these three websites I'm gonna tell you about, but you have to subscribe my channel first to make me support me in the future. So there are three websites I'm gonna show you where you can actually make 3D models. Basically, it's a great idea how you're gonna make it, and this is gonna make your life crazy. The first website is tripio tripole 3D.ai. It's the first website. Okay, this makes actually in which you can make text and image 3D models in seconds. One click texturing. You get free credit. You can start from with the free. It's amazing. So I'm gonna send you an example of this image, like how it's gonna work. So I've been creating this, from this website, and it's a very 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 amazing. So the first website is studio.tripod3d.ai. Let it upload. I'll show you another one, which is meshy.ai. It has a pricing, but this one is also creating. You can create in interior design. Okay, just like an example of it, it's an amazing thing to do. Whether you're an interior designer, whether you want to create anything which is like, there are a lot of big companies, man. They have Trustpilot rating for 4.8. This is insane. We can even check on the Trustpilot as well. There you can see how it can be done. Flexible styling for every aesthetic. Uh, I mean, this is amazing thing to do. The third one website is it's a Sloyd.ai. This most of you have seen these things. Images. You can convert an image from this website basically. Okay, you can even generate and edit images with AI as well. So there's a cool feature that have been used in this website basically. It's a topology control. So you can even you can use them for your image, for you can use them for your the videos on the YouTube. Okay, and it has also the pricing as well. It has solution like editor, image to 3D, Sloyd, 3D printing, game development, text to 3D. There's multiple functions into it. So go for it. I have commented on the description that all the three websites, you can go on these websites and can start making some money. So you for that you need to have a Fiverr account, and even if you're an agency, you can earn money from these websites.